everyone, welcome to Smart Tech, and today we are reviewing the new Moto E5 Plus. Moto E5 Plus is an entry-level smartphone that comes with 5000 mAh battery, at the price tag of 11,999 rupees. Let's start with the design and build quality. On the front, the Moto E5 Plus comes with 18:9 aspect ratio infinity display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And it has 76.7% screen-to-body ratio. The E5 Plus weighs 196 grams and measures 9.4 millimeters thickness, which is quite heavy and thick too. But it is acceptable by the 5000 mAh battery inside. On the top we got 3.5 mm audio jack. Micro USB port and microphone comes at the bottom. On the right side has power and volume rocker, and the left side has the SIM tray with dedicated SD card slot. The back panel is made up of plastic with curved design. Make it easy to hold, and the fingerprint sensor is placed at back. The fingerprint sensor is accurate but not fastest. The phone looks very nice like most of the Motorola smartphones. And we have actually two modules on the rear camera. But it is not a dual camera setup. One is a 12MP main camera and the second is a laser auto-focusing system actually. The Moto E5 Plus comes with 6-inch 18:9 ratio IPS LCD display. The display has HD Plus resolution and 268 pixel per inch. The display is bright, but the sharpness in text and images are slightly low. In any case, the colors are rich and punchy.
Trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in our eyes, he gon' know he is safe.
The Moto E5 Plus runs on Android 8.0 Oreo, which is stock Android, so we could get real Android experience. And Moto features like 3-finger screenshot, 1-hand mode, twist twice to launch camera, night mode, Moto display were added. The one thing to notice that the Moto E5 Plus does not provide gyroscope, magnetic, compass sensors like most of the smartphones, and face unlock neither. So that was disappointing for most of the users. Moving on the processor. The phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 1.4 GHz quad-core processor. An entry-level processor with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Apps take little bit of time to load. The phone can handle day-to-day normal tasks but not for heavy gaming. Casual games can be played. I could even play high graphics games but in low graphics settings, with a little bit of frame drops and lags. There is no heating issue while playing games. If you are a gamer, this device is not affordable for you. The Moto E5 Plus comes with 12MP f2.0 aperture lens, rear camera with LED flash. The rear camera features face detection, autofocus, HDR, panorama, manual, slow motion, and it can shoot 1080p 30 frames per second videos. And the front-facing camera is a 5MP f2.0 aperture sensor, with an LED flash. But the picture quality is little bit disappointing. The picture lags details, the colors are low, there is a bit of noise in low-light photography, and the selfies are average too. The highlighting part of this device is its 5000 mAh battery. And the phone can go on 2 days easy with screen on time. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this devices. The pros of the device is decent display, support dedicated SD card slot, and the big battery. The cons are lack of sensors, disappointing camera, and below average performance. So that was our review of Moto E5 Plus. Subscribe our channel for more updates.